Hey guys, I'm just going to make a little unboxing video here of this new RC I just picked up off Marketplace. Here it is. Came with this, unfortunately didn't come with the original box, but it did come with this old case, Optex. I thought it was a camera case, but it's actually legitimately a RC case. Optex RC vehicle tote bag. That's kind of interesting. Anyway, here's the little buggy here. So this is about 1985 Nikko Turbo Aero Venus, which is the little brother to the Turbo Aero. This is 1/16 scale. The Turbo Aero is 1/10 scale. That's the one I was actually looking for, but came across this one here and it looked pretty mint, so I thought, what the hell, for 25 bucks, why not? So this is it here. It's a pretty sweet little car. It's got some good looking knobbies on it. Yeah, this thing's clean. Not a scratch on it. Oh yeah. Antenna's a little crooked, but whatever. Here's the controller that came with it. Turbocharger. Put her in. Boom. Must be an antenna for it here somewhere. Oh, there's the antenna. Typical Nikko small scale controller. The 1/10 scale controllers are a lot nicer, but I think this is 9-volt battery in this guy. Yeah, 9-volt. Looks like this guy holds a few AA's. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight AA's. That cost your mom and dad a lot of money back in the 80s. Unless you had the rechargeables, of course, that were garbage and didn't last more than 10 minutes of driving. If you got this for Christmas in 1985, you're a happy kid, I'll tell you that much. I actually had the exact same one, but the 1/10 scale version. I think I got it for my birthday, but it got sold somewhere along the way. Still on the hunt for it. If anybody knows anybody that has the 1/10 scale version of this little bad boy, I'd probably take it off their hands if it was in good condition. Oh, there we go. You got high and low gear. Operated by NICAD. Oh, that's an actual manual switch right here. There you go. That sounds good. Yeah, well, there it is. The Nikko Turbo Aero Venus. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the instruction manual here. Looks like the French version. I'm not going to bother reading that. Frame buggy Venus. 1/16 scale. Yeah. It's cool it came with the original instructions. Too bad they weren't in English. Whatever. Still cool. Chargeable. Oh shit. You can actually plug the charger right into it. Oh, I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. So you put your rechargeable batteries in it and then you can just stick it right into the freaking car. Sweet. That's a good option. Yeah, anyway, there it is in all its glory. Give her one more spin. That thing's in good condition, man. Whew. She's a beauty. Anyways, have a good Wednesday. See you guys later.